March 6, 2026 Afternoon News Summary, New York Time, covering 12 noon to 6 evening. Don't forget to subscribe before we start, so you don't miss out on the latest international news. News 1, ECB holds rates, cuts inflation forecast. The European Central Bank kept its key interest rate at 4% but revised its 2026 inflation forecast down to 1.8%, signaling a potential rate cut in June. The euro fell 0.8% against the dollar to 1.0720 as markets priced in a more dovish path. News 2, U.S. non-farm payrolls exceed expectations. The U.S. economy added 275,000 jobs in February, surpassing forecasts of 200,000, while the unemployment rate edged up to 3.9%. The data reinforced the Federal Reserve's patient stance, with Treasury yields initially spiking before paring gains. News 3, OPEC Plus agrees to extend production cuts. OPEC and its allies agreed to extend their collective output cuts of 2 million barrels per day through Q2 2026 to stabilize prices. Brent crude rose 2.1% to $84.50 per barrel following the announcement. News 4, China sets 2026 GDP growth target at 4.5%. At the opening of the National People's Congress, Premier Li Qiang announced a GDP growth target of around 4.5% for 2026, alongside a fiscal deficit target of 3% of GDP. The modest target reflects ongoing structural challenges in the economy. News 5, major tech antitrust settlement reached. A U.S.-led multinational coalition of regulators announced a $9 billion settlement with a major tech firm over anti-competitive practices in digital advertising, requiring significant operational changes. The company's stock closed down 3.5%. News 6, UK and EU conclude Financial Services Pact. The UK and European Union finalized a long-anticipated Memorandum of Understanding on Financial Services Cooperation, enhancing regulatory dialogue and market access. The FTSE 100 gained 1.2%, led by banking and insurance stocks. News 7, Japan confirms intervention to support yen. Japan's top currency official confirmed the finance ministry intervened in the forex market after the yen weakened past 155 per dollar. The yen strengthened sharply to 152.50 following the action. That's all for today's news. See you next time.